I think there comes a point in all of our lives that we do end up questioning, am I on the right path? Am I heading toward the dreams that I'd set out to obtain when I was younger? And that's okay. It's okay to question those. Because the truth is we don't ever stay the same forever. Things change, circumstances change, life changes. But with that, we also have to be able to ask the question, am I okay where I'm at with questioning that? Or do I need to take steps to change things in my life, to do something different? And that's okay too. Because growth is good. Seeking opportunity is good. Because there's always room for improvement. We never stop learning. We just have to continue to learn and continue to grow. For me, I had some of those questions coming up not too long ago. And instead of just brushing it off as, I was thinking, pondering, I took it serious and really thought about that. Like, I've gone through so much and I've changed so much to get where I'm at. But why would I want to stay where I'm at when I can go even further? And I think we all need that desire within us to burn once again. To know that there's so much more that we're capable of than just existing in what we're in. So if you have dreams, dream big again. If you have hopes, hope with all your heart. But more importantly, take action. Take action on that hope. Take action on those dreams. And don't stop till you get there. Because the truth is, we only have one life to live. And that life runs out because time is limited. So why would we wait till tomorrow, or next week, or next month, or even next year, when we're not even certain that we have that long? Let's go on this journey together. Let me give you insights into opportunities that I've come across that will help in going the right direction toward your dreams. That will give you the ability to seek once again. To dare to become that person that you once dreamed you could be. There's so many people out there that are doing it. There's so many people out there that are fulfilling their dreams, fulfilling their destinies, because they're taking the action and they're not settling for where they're at. And we're all human. We are all given gifts and abilities by God. And so there's no reason why we can't obtain the things that others obtain. Because if somebody else can do it, so can you. Something to think about. But I want to challenge you. Are you okay where you're at, or do you want more? And if you want more, what are you willing to do to get it? We have to change some things in our circles. We have to change some things in our mind. And we have to change some things in our heart. And I can help you with all that. I can help you with making changes in yourself. I can help you with making changes in your future. But you have to be willing to do it. And I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and tell you that it's for everybody, because there's a lot of you out there that won't do it. You're okay just being where you're at. Settle in for the life that you have. And then one day you'll look back and you'll regret not trying. If that's you and you don't want that, then don't settle for that. Settle for more. Or don't even settle. Pursue more. That's the key. All right. I've talked your ear off long enough. But just know that there's opportunities out there. I have opportunities for you if you're interested. But you have to take the action. And I only want people to reach out that want to take the action, that are serious. Serious about dreaming again. Serious about being something way more than what you thought you could ever be. All right, guys. Be healthy. Be well.